Looking to dive into the world of trading, discover how to maximize your profits with our step-by-step guide on using the Plus500 trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, learn tips and tricks that can elevate your trading game and unlock your financial potential. Don't miss out, let's get started. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Plus500 trading platform. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into plus500.com, and this is the home page. So to get started, you have just to click over Start with the Act, and then once you click over Sign Up or Start with the Act, you will find other page which you have to link your personal information, and then you will get started and you find this page as you can see. Alright, here we have it. But if you find any problem or issue and you're signing up and your country is not working and you cannot join, you will just download this VPN and you have just to activate it here on the right top, and then you click over here and switch on, then you get started. So welcome to our guide on Plus500, the popular trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of financial instruments. In this video, we'll define Plus500 and explore its features that attract traders in the world. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, there is something here for you. Stick around until the end for exclusive tips to enhance your trading journey. So let's get started. Alright, here we have the homepage of Plus500. So using the Plus500 trading platform is easy and user-friendly. Start by creating an account and completing the verification process. Once you are logged in, explore various financial instruments like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. To place a trade, select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. Don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk effectively. So once you find the home page, you have just to click over Get Started and you write some information such as your personal name, and we have here your logo and other things. So once you're that, you will just find some questions here. You have just to answer it and then you get started. All right, so let's come back here to the trade. So here we have various options, such as here if you can just select the most popular. For example, here we have my watch list, also commodities options. Then we have here indices, crypto, forex options, indices options. Then we have here shares options, shares. Then we have here to VS. Alright, so this is the thing that we have. Also here we find instruments, as you can see, change, sell, and we have here the option of buy, and here we have the high or low, as you can see. Then you can just find other options like we have open positions here, orders, then we have here closed positions, and we have also here insights. And the insights you will find, you will come to insights, get exclusive access to millions of Plus500 customers activity in real time. Here we have most traded, most viewed, and most followed. Then here we have found, here we have if we wanna target, and then we have if we wanna switch to the demo mode, this is it. And then if you want to switch to the real money mode, and here we have it. Also here we find other options that could help you. So for example, here we have expand to full screen, and here we have draw, and if you want here crosshair, for example, you'll find here hide heads up display and show heads up display. Then we have also here dynamic callout, show total type, and this one it's info, as you can see. And then we find here switch between the buy and sell price of the instrument. So we have here now showing the buy price, and here we have now showing some price. Then we find here also the range selector, and here we have open chart in any window, as you can see. Then we find in the right here, for example, multiple chart view, line, indicators, views, and we have here tick, and this is how it works. And right here, if you click over template, you can just select the template that you want. Then here we have line, for example, chart types. We have candle, bar, colored bar, line, colored line, vertex line. We have step, mountain, baseline, and other things, as you can see. Then here we have also this option of indicators. For example, select active indicators, favorites, common indicators, indicator library. Then we have here if you want to search indicators here, as you can see. Then here we have also the option of views. Then here we have the text if you want to select how much minutes. Also here we have also if you want 5 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. We have here 2 month, 1 year, and max here. So you have just to click over get started here, and you have just to follow the steps for trading, and you'll find this platform very helpful for beginners and for an experienced. So at trading, you have just search in the source, such as you can just learn from courses or from internet, or you can just hardworking and search for information, and then you get started. So this platform is very helpful for trading, and it's famous also, and you have just to get started. So if you scroll down here, you will find other information. For example, here we have why Plus500. The first thing, we have you protected and safe. Your data is safe and your money is kept in separate bank accounts in accordance with the legal requirements. Then we have the second things, professional support, enjoy dedicated customer service around the clock in multiple languages. Then we have you regulated. Plus500 as is authorized and regulated by the Estonian Financial Supervision and Financial Settlement Authority. Then we have your label. Plus500 Ltd is an FTSE 350 company listed on the main market of the London Stock Exchange for listed companies. Then if we scroll down, we'll find here other options smarter to act. So for example, if you want to practice your strategy, try out free demo account before opening a real trading account to explore our intuitive trading platform and improve your skill. You have just to try it now. Then we have the second thing, expand your knowledge. Learn more about trading CFDs with Plus500 using our comprehensive educational materials. You have just to open the commercial academy. Then we have here manage your risk. Use the advanced risk management tools to limit your losses and record profits. You have just to read more to understand. So this is how it works with Plus500. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.